Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to mount an image file onto your computer, or how to open an image file on your computer. Before you can do that, you must first install Power ISO software on your Windows machine. So on my desktop, I have an image file on the desktop. So to mount it, I can right click on it, then I click mount to mount the image file to my computer. Now the image file has been mounted. Now I can open it. You can right click on it. Again, you can open Power ISO software. Double click on the image file that you want to mount. Then click on mount image file to mount the image file to your computer. Then you can open it. After mounting, you can right click on I have been, then you click on the file. Again, you can mount it by checking an icon desktop, find Power ISO icon, click mount, then you choose the specific file that you want to mount onto your computer. Then you click on open to open it. Again, you can go to open it, the file, or you can right click on mount the software or the document to your. Thank you for watching the video. Please kindly subscribe.